Good morning, class 8th. Today, in the chapter Microorganism, Friends and Foe, I am going to teach you about the commercial use of microorganism. The microorganism, they are, there are so many types of microorganism which are useful as well as they are harmful for us. Okay, so commercial use of microorganism. The microorganisms are used for the large scale of production of alcoholic beverage like alcohol, wine and acetic acid. For the formation of, for the manufacture of these types of vinegar and alcohol, wine, a large scale of production are going to help. Yeast is used for manufacture alcohol from sugar. In the last class I told you about that fermentation process is also taken by the yeast. So look here is also the definition will present, that is yeast is used for manufacture like alcohol. Yeast, this is also a type of microorganism which is used to manufacture alcohol from sugar or starch and wine from fruit juice by the process of fermentation. Look at, this is the definition of fermentation, which can be done only and only with the help of microorganism. The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol by the action of yeast is known as fermentation. By the process of fermentation, the commercial production of the large scale of production of alcohol are going to be held. Now come on the medicinal use of microorganism, that is medicinal use of microorganism. The medicines which stop or kill the growth of the disease causing microorganism are called antibiotic. This is an important definition of antibiotic. What is antibiotic? The medicines which stop or kill the growth of the disease causing microorganism are called antibiotics. Just I am giving you one example, that if you are suffering from fever and you take the prescriptions of doctor and the doctor is giving you the tablet, one tablet for down the temperature and the second is the to kill the growth of the disease causing microorganism, and that tablet that is known as antibiotic. The sources of antibiotics are microorganism, means to say that the antibiotics can be formed by the microorganism. These days the number of antibiotics are being produced from bacteria and fungi, which are made from fungi and bacteria. These antibiotics are manufactured by growing specific microorganisms and are used for curing a variety of diseases. Means to say that with the help of fungi and bacteria, the medicines, means antibiotics, are manufactured, and some examples of these antibiotics are penicillin, streptomycin, tetracycline and erythromycin. These antibiotics are manufactured by growing specific microorganism and are used for curing a variety of disease. To check the microbial infection in animal, the antibiotics are mixed with the feed of livestock and poultry as well as in human, but also in animals. There are also the growth of microorganism which just the harmful for the animals, and they throw the harmful effect on the health of the animal. That is the reason these antibiotics are mixed with the feed of the livestock and poultry and to give them. Now come on the precautions with antibiotics. The antibiotics should be taken on the advice of a qualified doctor, because the doctor know about that how many bacteria are present in harmful bacteria are present in your body, and according to the ratio of the number of bacteria, the doctor prescribe you the amount of antibiotics. One should complete the course prescribed by the doctor. We have to complete the course. Either we get benefit by the first time taking medicine, but we have to just complete the course of the particular medicine. Okay, next.